In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find approval of Mailerlite. The goal of this tutorial is to help you quickly understand where to look inside your Mailerlite account to see whether your account has been approved, is still under review, or needs more information. This is useful because Mailerlite may review accounts before allowing certain sending features, and the approval status is usually shown directly inside the dashboard. You do not need to search through complicated settings or open advanced menus. In most cases, the information is shown clearly near the top of the page after you log in. To begin, open Mailerlite and log into your dashboard. Use your usual sign-in method, and make sure you are accessing the correct account. If you manage more than one Mailerlite account, take a moment to confirm that you are in the account you actually want to check. This matters because each account can have its own review or approval status, so the message you see in one dashboard may not apply to another account. Once you are logged in, wait for the dashboard to load completely. The dashboard is the main area you see after signing in, and it usually contains the key information about your account, campaigns, subscribers, and any important account notifications. Before clicking anywhere else, focus on the very top area of the dashboard. Mailerlite uses this space to display important messages that need your attention. Now look for a notification banner at the top of your dashboard. This banner is usually easy to notice because it appears above the main dashboard content. It may contain a message about your account being under review, needing additional information, or having a pending status. If Mailerlite still needs to verify your account, this banner is where you will usually see that information. Take a moment to read the full message carefully because it may explain exactly what is happening with your account. If the banner says your account is under review, that means Mailerlite is still checking your account details. In that case, your account approval is not complete yet. You may need to wait until the review process is finished. The banner is the main indicator, so you do not need to assume your status from other parts of the dashboard. Just use that notification area as the primary place to understand what Mailerlite is telling you. If the banner says that information is pending or that Mailerlite needs more details from you, that means your account has not been fully approved yet. The banner may show a message asking you to provide additional information or complete a review requirement. The important thing here is to recognize that a visible warning or notification banner usually means there is still something happening with your account approval status. After checking for a banner, the next thing to understand is the simplest part of the process. If you do not see any notification banner at the top of your Mailerlite dashboard, then your account is considered approved. In other words, when there is no review message, no pending information message, and no approval-related warning displayed at the top of the dashboard, that means there is no approval issue currently being shown on your account. So the key idea is very simple. Log into your Mailerlite dashboard, look at the top notification banner area, and read any message that appears there. If you see a banner, it may tell you that your account is under review or that more information is needed. If you do not see a banner in that notification area, your account is approved. That covers everything you need to know.